Hello, hello, this is Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts, and I was going to start right in on the Countryside Journal, but I'm going to make a separate video because I have to show you this. I got a package from Emily at Vintage Polka Dot Shop. First of all, she packed it with this. Isn't this wonderful? Can't wait to use that. That was the packing material. And let's see. Thank you so much for another order. I'm so glad you got this encyclopedia. It's so cool. I would have kept it, but no room. I've included some extra goodies as a hug. A thank you. As a thank you hug. Oh my goodness. Look at all these. Oh wow, this is cool. Look at that. I wish you could see that. There's little tiny grid lines in there. It's coffee dye. Perfect. Emily, you do such nice dyeing. Very cool. Oh boy. I see another journal in my future. I see one in yours too. Alteration cards. I love these. You can do so much with these. You can fold this up and make a pocket. It's really cool. You can turn them into flips. You can put two together. Oh, it can go on and on. Oh, look at that. That is cool. Look at these illustrations. Wow. These are cool. I could do another men's journal with, like I did for my husband. I used all different kinds of soldier pictures, different units, and all kinds of goodies in it. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Emily. That's so sweet of you. Thank you, thank you. And then here's this. Let's have a peek. Oh, it's open over here. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, look at that. Yummy. Oh, wow. Look at, can you see the lines on this? They're going crooked. I wonder if that's like quilting. Quilting paper or something. I don't know. It's not big enough. I mean, that'd be a miniature little quilt. So I guess that's not good. Oh my gosh. It can't be. That is very cool paper, Emily. I don't know where you got it, but wow, I love it. Love, love, love. Nice. Oh, I can't wait. And then I ordered this. And it's just all dyed like ledger paper, I think. I can't find the packaging. This side up, it should say. It's so hard to see where this plastic begins and ends. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, this is lovely. Oh boy, this will be nice. It's so hard to find, you know, a ledger that is within reason. And so I figured I could start making my own ledger. Although, I do have a ledger, but I won't cut it up. This is cool. Is this not tracing paper or whatever it was? Vellum type paper? Oh, look at that. Yummy. Oh boy, we can make some goodies out of this stuff, can't we? Okay, so there's that. I'm just going to stick it in this little file folder that's been colored too. Been coffee dyed. Very fun. And here's the second batch. Same thing. Oh yeah. Oh, I love it. Love it. Oh, look at that. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Oh, look at that file folder. Very nice. Emily, you always have something you put in your die. I don't know if it's like a cinnamon or what, but maybe an essential oil cinnamon or something. Something like that. Is that what you call them? I don't know. Okay, so there was that. But here is the big thing that I wanted to show you. This. Look at this book. This book is so awesome. The Complete Encyclopedia of Illustrations by J.G. Heck. I think you could probably find it on eBay. I did order a second one from eBay. Yeah, it was, and it was free shipping. I couldn't resist it on that one because this book is so big. But wait till you see the inside. It has all kinds of things in it that you could use in collage and different things. Mathematics and astronomy. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see if I can put that down over there. So anyway, I wanted to take time to show you this book. Look at this. Different things that you could use in collage. Especially if you do Marguerite Miller. And I'm going to tell you what my thought is on this one. Aside from cutting it up for ephemera, which is what I thought I would do. But my thought for this was, I've been wanting to carve a book where you carve down through and you pick up pictures as you go. Like perhaps I would want to cut around this at some point and just have that as something that shows in this picture, and then I would start carving down these other directions to get to something else to show. And so yeah, I'm really not sure how you do that stuff, but I'm willing to learn it. Oh, there's so many good illustrations. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, there's animal bones and fossils. But, yeah, seashells, volcanoes, plants. Yeah, it is all in black and white. But look at that. It's just so perfect. And then you come down to these, and there's these plates of animals. Oh, look at the butterflies. Yum. Yeah. There's a narwhal there. Oh, don't need that one. Oh, I don't want a snake. Let's find something fun. Here's some birds. Anyway, I thought these were cool. So it has a bunch of bird ones in it. Look at those owls. Ooh, pretty. Big elephant. I love elephants. Bats. Eek! I don't even want to touch page. There's a bear over here. I love the bears. Oh, excuse that picture. And that picture. You probably don't want to see the inside of us. There's maps. Look at that. So cool. And then we have art. And can't think what you call this, sorry. I've lost my thought. Anyway, there was just tons of illustrations and very cool things. And look at this, ships. Oh, architecture. Oh my gosh. Temples. Ancient architecture and sculpture. So wonderful. So anyway, I just wanted you to see that beautiful book. If you're looking for tons of ephemera that are in black and white, this might be the book for you. I don't think you want to see nudie art. Oh, that's nudie art too. Sorry. Feet and hands, nose. Is this the alphabet? And here's technology back here. Look at that. Trains, steam engines. That looks like bridges or railroad crossings or something. So anyway, just tons and tons of great things that you can cut out and use in collage, or you could use as ephemera in a journal. You know, it's just endless things. But my idea was that I wanted to carve through the book. Might find that hard to do. My husband said, wait a minute, you're going to let me look through it first. I was like, okay, I won't start carving it today, honey. It's going to take me a little bit to figure out how to carve a book. Okay, I'm going to let you go, and then when I come back, we are going to start on the back of our journal. And I've got some things to talk over with you about what I'm thinking. And so I'll be back in just a few. Bye.